待会就全部从那个 WhatsApp 加组什么的，可以吗？就是我就全部模拟 TikTok 那个。那我现在看什么？就是直接这画面开就可以了。还是我这边？等一下，就是这个，这个在哪里看？Hello everyone, welcome to my live broadcast room. So let me know you are here by typing 1 in the comment. Okay, welcome every friends. So what I bring you today is the explanation of hardware architecture of network device. So if you are interested in the content, you can stay in our live broadcast room and learn with us. So this device is Cisco switch. So there are two types of network device commonly used in project: box type device and frame type device. Frame type device has relatively large volume and appearance, and the frame type device has various slots and balls. So DC data center generally use frame type device. So such as on the table is called box device. So if network engineer want to install this device in the cabinet, we must understand the hardware structure of network device. So we must understand the hardware structure of the network device. So I want to ask you first questions. So common box type device have a standard height. So does anyone know? So box type device has a common height. So do you know? If you know, you can reply me. Whether it is Cisco equipment or Huawei equipment, it has the standard height 1 unit. 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So whether it's a Cisco equipment or other Huawei equipment, it has the same height is 1 unit. But is there any 2 unit or 3 unit of the equipment? Do you know? So of course they are. They have 2 unit or 3 unit or 4 unit. So next, let's look at the interface of the device. Generally, we will define the interface of the device as a data service port and management port. You can see it contains data service port and the management port. The management port is called console port. So the console port is used to debug or manage the device. So under what circumstance will the console port be used? Maybe a network engineer wants to log in the device, but the login password is forgotten, or the PC cannot ping the device. So we need to use the console port to log in the switch. This is the Cisco switch. So at this time, we must prepare for configuration cable. So I prepare for the configuration cable for you. You can see wait a moment. Okay, you can see. So, okay. Sorry. Okay. So this is the configuration cable. You can see. So this port is used to connect the network device. Okay, it's connect the network device, and this is 9-pin serial port. It's used to connect our PC, but our laptop doesn't support this interface. So what should I do? Okay, do you know? Okay, so let me tell you. The 9-pin serial port, because our laptop doesn't support this interface. So at this time we need to I need to transfer the 9-pin serial port into the USB to connect our laptop. So we need to this line. Okay, so we need to transfer to USB to connect our laptop. So there are another configuration in my hands. You can see this configuration doesn't need to transfer because it's a console port to direct to connect our device, and this port is USB. It's can connect our laptop. So okay, but I want to ask you a question. If network engineer go to project site, how long do we need to prepare for the configuration cable? Okay, so how long do we need to prepare for configuration cable? Okay, do you know? 1 meters, 2 meters, or 5 meters? Okay, anyone knows? Okay, welcome new friends to come to my live stream. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can join me. I will help you to get CCNA certification. Okay, yeah. So let me reply you. Okay, so if you go to project site, the configuration cable at least 3 meters. Okay, do you know? So the above technical point I summarize for you is very important for our jobs. So you should master all. Okay, so next let's look at let's observe the data service port. Okay, so usually we will divide the data service port into uplink interface and the downlink interface. The uplink interface is connect. Wait a moment. The uplink interface is used to connect the routers or firewall, and the downlink interface. What is connect to the downlink interface? Okay, what is connect to the downlink interface? Okay, like PC or what else? Okay, what else? Such as AP, access point, or camera or printer. Yeah, great. So okay, so next, so let me tell you further. If the Cisco switch connect the AP access point or camera, we must need the switch supply power to run. So this switch has 24 electric port. Okay, so the switch must have PoE power over Ethernet power supply function. Okay, do you know? Okay, power supply function. So, some friends may have doubt about this. If the PC connect the switch, connect the PoE switch, but our laptop, our PC doesn't support PoE, power over Ethernet, will the PC's network interface will be burnt out? Will it or will it not? Okay, do you know? So hello, welcome new friends. Welcome new friends to come to my live stream. Okay, so what we are sharing now about the hardware structure of network device. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can join me. I will help you to get CCNA certification. Okay, so if the PC connect the switch, if PC provide power to PC, the negotiation between the two need to be successful. So the PoE switch won't affect the PC's network interface. Okay, so the above information I summarized for you is very important for your project. But there are many friends in my live stream that doesn't understand this technical point, and they don't have any relevant working experience. So don't worry, I will try my best to help you. So you can believe me. You can believe me because I am CCIE expert. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can join me. I will help you to get CCNA certification. So the professional guidance you will get from industry expert like me. So the expert will guide you through CCNA process. So if you have any problem, we are always support you. So if you place an order today, we will send you material for free. Yeah, it's free. Okay, it's awesome. So it's we will send you valuable material for free. But please note, this is limited time offer. First come, first served. Only today. Okay, so if you want to get CCNA certification, you can contact our admin. You can add the WhatsApp to contact our admin to get complete information about our material. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can comment below, and we will reply you. Okay, so okay. Okay, so do you have any problem? Okay, if you have any problem, you can reply, you can comment below. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome my live broadcast room. So let me know you are here by typing 1 in the comment. Okay, so what I bring you today is the explanation of the hardware architecture of network device. So if you are interested in the content, you can stay in our live broadcast room and learn together. So this is Cisco switch. Okay, this is a Cisco switch. So there are 2 types of network device commonly used in project: box type device and frame type device. So frame type device has a relatively large volume and various slots and both. So a DC data center usually use frame type device, but such as on the table, you can see on the table, this is box type device. So if network engineer want to install this network device in a cabinet, we must understand the hardware structure of network device. So commonly, box type device has a standard height. Do you know? Okay, if you know, you can comment below. Okay, so yeah, okay, so whether it's the Cisco device or Huawei equipment, they have the same heights. You can see it's one unit. Okay, but are there any 2 unit or 3 unit equipment? Okay, do you know? So of course there are. Yeah, it's true. It's contains 2 unit or 3 unit or 4 unit. So next, let's observe the interface of the network device. So we will define the interface as data service interface and the console port, management port. So the management port is called console port. So under what circumstance will the console port be used? Okay, the console port is used to debug or manage the device. So what circumstance will the console port be used? If network engineer want to log in the switch, but the login password is forgotten, or the PC cannot pin the switch, so we need to use the console to log in the device. Okay, so at this time we need to prepare for configuration cable. So I prepare for the configuration cable to show you. Okay, you can see. Yeah, okay, so you can see. This is sorry. Okay. Yeah, you can see. So this is configuration cable, traditional configuration cable. You can see this port is used to connect our console port, used to connect our switch, and this port is 9-pin serial port, But our laptop doesn't support 9-pin serial port. So what should I do? Okay, what should I do? So we need to transfer 9-pin serial port to USB to connect our laptop. So we need to prepare this. Okay, you can see this is we need to transfer to USB to connect our laptop. Okay, so there are another configuration you can see. The configuration cable in my hands, it doesn't need to transfer because it's console and USB can connect to our laptop. But I want to ask you, if network engineer go to project site, how long do we need to prepare for configuration cable? 1 meters or 2 meters or 5 meters? Okay, so do you know how long do we need to prepare for the configuration cable? Okay, in my working experience, I suggest you, if you go to project site, you must at least prepare 3 meters, because if the configuration cable is too short, you will meet many difficulties because the network device in the cabinet. You can see in the cabinet, if the configuration cable is too short, your laptop cannot connect to network device. Okay, so the above technical point I summarize for you is very important for your project, for your project. So you should master all. Okay, so next let's observe let's observe the interface. Let's observe the interface of the data service. Okay, data service. So this Cisco switch has 24 electric port. So usually we will divide divide the data service interface into uplink interface and the downlink interface. So the uplink interface is used to connect to the routers or firewall, and what is connect to the downlink interface? Okay, what is connect to the downlink interface? PC, yeah, like PC, right? Okay, right. So, what else? What else to connect? What else can connect to the data, the downlink interface? Okay, like printer, yeah, printer, access point, and the camera, yeah. Okay, great. So what? But if the PC, if the access point or camera, connect to the switch, we need the switch provide them with the power. So the switch must have PoE, power over Ethernet, power supply function. But some friends may have doubt if the PC connect the switch, but connect the PoE switch, but our PC doesn't support PoE. Now, what if the PC connect the switch? Will the PC's network interface will burn out? Will it or will it not? Okay, do you know? This problem is very important for your job because my students often ask this question. Yeah, because they don't have relevant working experience. So don't worry, if you want to increase your working experience, you can follow me and I will help you. Okay, so of course not, because if the switch want to provide the PoE to the PC, the negotiation between the two need to be successful. Yeah, okay, yeah. So you should understand this technical point. So I know many students in my live stream, they don't understand this technical point and they don't have any relevant working experience. But you don't worry, I will try my best to help you. So believe me, because I am CCIE expert. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can follow me and I will help you to get CCNA certification. So the professional guidance you will get from industry expert like me. Yeah. So we will guide you through the CCNA learning process. So if you have any problem, we will help you. We are always to support you. Yeah. So if you place an order today, we will send you material for free. Yeah, it's awesome. Free material. So we will send you valuable material for free. But please note, it's a limited time offer. Today is limited time offer. So first come, first served. Okay, so please contact our admin. So if you want to get CCNA certification, improve yourself with me. So you can contact our admin to get CCNA. Okay, contact our admin. Okay, so you can contact the WhatsApp to contact our admin. Okay, so do you have any problem? If you have any problem, you can comment below and we will reply you. Yeah, okay. Okay, so do you have any problem? If you have any problem, you can comment below, and I can reply you. Okay. So hello everyone, welcome to my live stream. Welcome new friends. Welcome new friends to come to my live stream. So what we are sharing now is the explanation of hardware structure of network device. Okay. So yeah. Okay, hello everyone. So welcome new friends to come to my live stream. Okay, so what we are sharing now is about the explanation of hardware structure of network device. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can join me because I am CCI expert. I will help you to get CCNA certification. So you can follow me. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, so if you have any relevant problems, you can comment below. Okay, so what I bring you today is an explanation of hardware structure of network device. So if you are interested in the content, you can stay in our live broadcast room and learn with us. Okay, so what I bring you today is an explanation of the hardware structure of network device. So if you are interested in the content, you can stay in our live broadcast room and learn with us. So this device is a Cisco switch. So there are two types of network device commonly used in project: box type device and frame type device. This frame type device has a relatively large volume and appearance. Its frame type device contains various slots and balls. So data center DC generally use frame type device. So such as on the table is called box type device. If a network engineer want to install this device in the cabinet, we must understand the hardware structure of network device. So commonly, box type device has the same height. Does anyone know? Okay, it has the same height. So do you know? If you know, you can comment below. Okay, so whether it is a Cisco device or a Huawei equipment, they have the same height. One unit. So is there any 2 unit or 3 unit of the equipment? Yeah. Okay. So of course there are. Yeah. So it contains 2 unit, 3 unit, or 4 unit. Yeah, 4 unit. So next, let's observe. Let's observe the interface of the switch. Okay, we will define the interface as data service port and the management port. The management port is called console port. Okay, so what is console port? Okay, console port is used to debug and manage device. So under what circumstance will the console port be used? Okay, what circumstance will the console port be used? Maybe a network engineer want to login the device, but the login password is forgotten, or the PC cannot pin the switch. So we need to use console port to login the switch. So at this time, if you want to use console to login the switch, you must to prepare the configuration cable. You can see this is configuration cable I prepare for I prepare for you. You can see it's the configuration cable. This is 9 pin. This sorry. Okay, you can see this is the serial port. This is the console port. It's used to connect our switch, our network device. It can connect to routers, our switch, and the firewall, and so on. And this port is 9-pin serial port. 9-pin serial port. But our laptop doesn't support this interface. So what should I do? Okay, what should I do to connect the 9-pin serial port? Okay, hello, welcome new friends to come to my live stream. Okay, what we are sharing now is the hardware structure of the network device. So if you want to increase our capacity, you can join me. Okay, you can contact our WhatsApp to get CCNA certification. Yeah, okay. So, if you want to use this configuration line, we must transfer this 9-pin serial port to USB to connect our laptop. Yeah. So you can see. Okay, we need to transfer to USB to connect our laptop. But there are another configuration. You can see the configuration cable in my hands. It doesn't need to transfer because it already has USB and the console. Yeah, okay. So, but I want to ask you, if network engineer go to project site, how long do I need? How long do I need to prepare for the configuration cable? Yeah. So do you know 1 meters, 2 meter, or 5 meters? Okay. How long do we need to prepare for the console cable? Yeah. So in my experience, I suggest you it's at least 3 meters because if the configuration cable is too short, you will meet many difficulties in project site because the switch, because the network device is in the cabinet. So if the configuration cable is too short, your laptop cannot connect to the network device. Okay, yeah. So the above information I summarize for you is very important. So you should master all. Yeah, okay. So next, let's observe the interface of the data service port. The data service port contains we usually will divide the data service port into the uplink interface and the downlink interface. So the uplink interface usually connect to the PC or firewall, and what is connect to the downlink? Okay, like PC, yeah, like PC or access point, and VoIP, and camera, yeah, and printer, and so on. Yeah, okay. So, but if the switch is connected to the access point or camera, the switch must provide them with power. So the switch must have PoE, power over Ethernet, power supply function. But there are some students have doubt. If the PC connects a PoE switch, but our PC doesn't support PoE, Power over Ethernet. So will the PC's network interface be banned out? Really or really no? Okay, do you know? Yeah, okay, hello. Welcome new friends to come to my live stream. Okay, what we are sharing now is the explanation of hardware structure of network device. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can join me. I will help you to get CCNA certification. So you can contact our admin to get CCNA certification. Yeah, okay. So if the PC connect to the switch, the PC's network the switch PoE switch won't affect the PC's network interface. Yeah, because the negotiation between the two need to be successful. Okay, yeah. So the above technical point I summarize for you is very, very important for our project. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, because I know many students in my live stream, they don't understand this technical point and they don't have relevant working experience. So if you want to increase your technical capacity, you can believe me, because I am CCIE expert. I will help you. Okay, I will help you to get CCNA certification. So professional guidance from industry expert and CCIE expert. So we will guide you through CCNA learning process. So if you place an order today, we will send you material for free. Yeah, it's awesome. We will send you valuable study material for free. But please note, it is the limit time offer. So first come first serve only for today. Yeah. So if you want to get CCNA study material to get CCNA certification, you can contact our admin. So you can add the WhatsApp to get the CCNA study material, and you can study with me to get CCNA certification. Yeah. So this is the limit time offer. So first come first served. Okay, I will help you. We are always to support you. Yeah. Okay. So if you have any problem, you can reply me. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can comment below. Okay. Yeah. I see a friend ask. Any CCI lab package? Yeah, of course. We have a CCI lab package. So which direction do you plan to take? EI lab or security or DC? So if you want to ask the CCI lab package, you can contact our admin. To get more information about our CCI lab package. Yeah. Okay, so do you have any problems? If you have any problem, you can comment below. CCIE EI enterprise infrastructure is very stable because SPOTO has the latest design, and we are keeping pass. Yesterday we just passed 3 students in about CCIE in enterprise infrastructure. So and the Cisco said that the Cisco official showed that the enterprise infrastructure will change in September 20th. So if you want to get CCIE EI check, you must learn as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay. So do you have any problem? Okay, so if you have any other problem, you can contact our admin to get more information. Okay, so today our live broadcast room is coming to an end. So see you next time. Bye bye.